In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination. But more precisely, we will see en ce que. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences, and they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So this lesson is about en ce que. The conjunction en ce que can be translated into various ways in English, including in the fact that, in that, and in what. So we will see some examples with en ce que. Je suis confiant en ce que nous atteindrons nos objectifs. Je suis confiant en ce que nous atteindrons nos objectifs. Elle croit en ce que l'éducation est essentielle pour le développement. Elle croit en ce que l'éducation est essentielle pour le développement. Il a foi en ce que la vérité finira par éclater. Il a foi en ce que la vérité finira par éclater. Nous mettons notre confiance en ce que la justice sera rendue. Nous mettons notre confiance en ce que la justice sera rendue.